Welcome to English with Pranav. Till here, I have taught you that On the Face of It is a chapter which is written by Suzanne Hill. In this chapter, you learn that there was Mr. Lamb and Dairy. A big talking was going on between them. Mr. Lamb initially did not know Dairy, but he wanted to talk to Dairy. Now Dairy says what? Listen, when Mr. Lamb said, "You have got your face burnt in a fire," then Derry said, "No, not in a fire. I got acid all down the side of my face and it burned it all way. I ate my face up. I ate my face up, and now it is like this, and it won't be ever any different." Means now Terry shows his positive mindset that my face will not be changed. Actually, you guys better know that Derry's face was burnt with acid. Yes or no? And his face was ugly. Actually, all the people didn't think much about him. But he thought that my face is ugly, that's why people don't want to talk to me. Now a conversation is going on between dairy and lamb. What is the conversation? Try to understand. Mr. Lamb said, "No." Dairy said, "Aren't you interested?" Mr. Lamb said, "You are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. I am interested in anybody, anything. There is nothing God made that doesn't interest me. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see?" Actually, Derry was getting irritated while talking with Mr. Lamb. Do you know why? The same in Hindi it is Jaan na pehchan main tera mehman. Actually, Mr. Lamb was trying to talk with him, but he was not willing to talk. And he says, what dear students understand? A long conversation is going on. He says that Mr. Lamb is saying what? That I am interested in anybody. Anybody who comes in a garden, you are a boy, you have also come in a garden, in my garden. I can talk to you. Nothing God has made that does not interest me. Means in each and every creation of God, I love to talk with them. This shows the positive nature of Mr. Lamb. And also he is saying that look over beside the far wall. What can you see? तुम क्या देख सकते हो? Derry said, "Rubbish. What are you talking?" Mr. Lamb said, "Rubbish? Look, boy, look. What can you see?" Derry said, "Just and food beads." Mr. Lamb said, "Some call them beads if you like then. A bed garden that there is fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sort, but over there beds I grow, beds there. Why is one green growing plant called a bed and another flower? Where is the difference? It is all life growing, same as you and me." This is a very motivational line which is told by Mr. Lamb. To whom, dear students? To Dairy. And what is the motivational line, dear student? The line is, in a field, we grow plants. But in those plants, you also see what? Beads. Do you know, guys, beads? The unwanted plants which are not, you can say, used by us. Actually, we want to grow plants, but their unwanted materials are grown. Those materials are called as bits, and to kill them we use bidicides. Have you read science? Then you better understand what bids are. Now, dear students, he's saying that your mindset should be positive. In this world there are two things. First one is plant, and there are two things. First one is plant and second one is bits. So a person who is positive will look at the plant side, and person who is negative will look at the bit side. But there is a difference. Same as you and me. Like, you are all time negative, and I am all time positive. Derry said, we are not the same. Mr. Lamb said, I am old, you are young. You have got a burnt face, I have got a teen leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Mr. Lamb is saying that Derry said, what is the difference? We are not same. We are different. Mr. Lamb said, I am old, but you are young. This is the difference. You have got a burnt face and I have got a thin leg, but this is a similarity that you are also a drawbacked candidate and I am also a drawbacked candidate. You have got burnt face, then I have got a thin leg. Not important. You are standing there. I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Now Derry says, why have you got a teen leg? Now dear students understand. Initially this was Derry who did not want to talk to him. And now Derry was taking somewhat interest in the conversation. Now he's saying what? Why have you got a teen leg? Mr. Lamb said. A real one got blown off years back. Lamb means langra, you can also say in English, in Hindi. Some kids say, haven't you heard them? You will. Lamb, it fits. Doesn't trouble me. Dear students, when Derry asked that why have you got a teen leg, then he said that a real one got blown off. बहुत चला गया years back, बहुत पहले ही कट गया मानो, है ना. Blown off का मतलब वहां से वो पार्ट से निकल जाना. Lemmy Lamb, same kids say, when some kids say Lemmy Lamb, वो लंगड़ा आदमी. Haven't you heard them? You have also heard them. You will, Lemmy Lamb. It fits. Doesn't trouble me. Means other people say that I am Lemmy Lamb, like Langda, like all that. But it does not trouble me. Who is saying this, dear students? Mr. Lamb is saying this. Now Derry says what? But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare. Derry is saying that you can put covered, like you can put on trousers, pajama पहन सकते हो and cover it up. No one can see. They don't have to notice and stare. They will not look at you. Means your problem can be hidden. Can be hid, you can also say. How? Because you can put on trousers. Okay, you can cover your leg. Mr. Lamb says, some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There is plenty of other things to stare at. Mr. Lamb is saying that some people, yeah, look at my teen leg, but some don't look at. They're tired of in the end, and plenty of others don't look at even. Because so many other things are there to look at. People will look at so many things. Why they will look at me? Derry says, like my face. Means he is also coming in the same negative part. Derry is now saying, like my face? Then Mr. Lamb said, like crab apples. The beads or a spider climbing up the silken ladder or my tall sunflowers. Mr. Lamb is trying to say that like crab apples or the beads or the spider who climb on the silken ladder or my tall sunflowers surmukhi ka wo fool, you can also say. These are things to look at. Derry says things. Mr. Lamb says it is all relative. Beauty and the Beast. There is also a movie Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast is just opposite with each other. Beauty means very attractive and Beast means very repulsive. Next, repulsive means to go far from that. If you see a beast, you will not get attached and attracted with that. Rather, you will flee away from there. Next, they said, what is that supposed to mean? What do you mean? Mr. Lamb said, you tell me. Derry said, you need not think they have all told me that fairy story before. It is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. Handsome is that, handsome does. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince Only he would not. He would have stayed a monstrous space. I want change. When Mr. Lambs told about the beauty with the beast, beauty in the beast, then he already saw that the story. You can also say he already knew, Derry, that the story between the beauty and the beast was that the beauty fell in love with the beast, and when the beauty kissed the beast, that beast also became very much beautiful. Now, in the sense, Mr. Lamb says, in that way, no, you won't. Davy said that whatever the circumstances are, my face will not be changed. Means I will remain be the same. Mr. Lamb also said, in that way you won't change. Davy said, and no one will kiss me ever. No one will kiss me ever means, dear students, no one will support me. No one will kiss me. Only my mother. No one will like me. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Even Derry is so negative that even she is not able to accept the love of his mother. He thinks that his mother kisses him on his other side of the face where it is not burnt with acid. But that is not so. Mother's love is pure, dear students. Okay. But he thinks that mother kisses me on the good side of my face. She does it because she has to. She loves me because she is my mother. Why should I like that? I don't care if anybody ever kisses me. Means Derry say that I don't want to be loved by anyone because other people always think negative about me. Mr. Lamb said, ah, but you do care if you never kiss them. Means, but do you care if you never kiss them? Means you also don't like any person, but do you care about that? Derry said, what? Mr. Lamb said, girls, pretty girls, long hair, and large eyes, people you love. Derry said that. Forget about the other people who don't like your face. But do you like other people? Do you like girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love? Derry said, who would let me? No one. Means who will allow me to love? If I love any girl, she will not accept my love because my one side face is burnt. I look very ugly. If I want to love other people, they will not accept my love because my face is ugly. Mr. Lamb said, who can tell? Derry said, I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I will look the same. I will still only have half a face. Derry, my dear students, it's so negative that he says that my face will not be different in my whole life. When I become as old as you, as old like Mr. Lamb, still my face will be a burnt face. I will die with the same burnt face. Nothing is going to change in my life, Mr. Lamb said. So you will have to live with a half face, you can also say. So you will. But the world will not. The world has got a whole face and the world is there to be looked at. Mr. Lamb said that your face is burnt, na? Then why are you thinking negative? Look at the other's face. They are not burnt. Then be positive, be happy looking at the bright side of the other's life. Why do you take everything on yourself? Think about others. Look the greenness of the world. Look at the beautiful people of the world. You will get happy. There are lots of things to become happy. Now, Derry says what? Do you think this is the world? This old garden? Derry says that this is the world. Your garden is a world, Mr. Lamb. When I am here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere. Means for me, you can also say this is a world. Derry says, does your leg hurt you? Derry is trying to inquire, does your leg hurt you? Means you are with your teen leg. Does your leg hurt you? Does your leg pain you? Disturb you? Mr. Lamb said, teen doesn't hurt. Teen legs don't hurt, boy. Dairy said. When it came off, did it? जब ये बाहर निकल आया था तब दर्द करता था? Mr. Lamb said. Certainly. Dairy said. And how? I mean, where the teen stops at the top. Now, Derry said what? And now, I mean, where the teen stops at the top. Mr. Lamb said, now and then in wet weather, it doesn't signify. Overall, you can understand that his legs didn't matter for Mr. Lamb. Means Mr. Lamb was happy with his teen leg. Derry said, oh, that is something else they all say. Look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. Actually, Derry himself is now telling the positive aspect that so many people are there in pain. Like so many people are suffering from so many diseases, but they are brave, they never cry, they don't complain, they don't feel sorry for themselves. Mr. Lamb said, I haven't said it. I don't say it. Derry said, and think of all those people worse off than you. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to live in a wheelchair or be daft in your head and dribble. My dear students, the most important thing is what? That Derry is saying all these things. Derry, who was always negative, he is saying that in this world there are so many people who are worse than you. Than Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb had only one teen leg, na? But so many people are blinded. They are born deaf, means bahra, and or have to live in a wheelchair. But you can walk with your teen leg. So why do you worry about that? Who is now motivating Mr. Lamb? Derry, who himself was a negative boy, was now motivating whom? Mr. Lamb. And that was what Mr. Lamb wanted. Yes or no? Mr. Lamb wanted to change whom, dear students? Whom? Mr. Lamb wanted to change Derry. I hope you understood this very chapter, and the next part I'll teach in the next class. Dear students, other parts of this very chapter are uploaded on the YouTube video. Then please go and watch the full video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. And stay to you all. Thank you everyone. Thank you.